Hi guys, welcome back to Alimental Kitchen. Today we are making one of Nigerians most loved rich egusi soup, perfect with pounded yam, fufu or eba. I started by adding my chicken in a pot, then season with my ingredients and allow to cook. You can use any protein of your choice. Then I added my blended pepper, locust bean, cow skin, smoked fish, seasoning cubes, crayfish and palm oil. Then I mix everything together and allow to cook. Then I added my mixed egusi with chopped onions and allowed to simmer. Finally, I finished with fresh vegetables for color and flavor. Our egusi soup is ready. Would you be trying this recipe? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Bye!